What in the dishonorable connection is going on here? I need understanding. This Millsut has red suspenders on, and guess what? Usher has his hands all over them, and he begins to seem as if he's giving the damn bishop a goddamn praise here. It's like he's praying over him. The more I look at it, it makes me get understanding that I need to be calling someone to getting some understanding. Hello? Yeah, I know it's sure you dishonorable Phil Zuck. You're trying to change your voice. Never mind that. I need understanding of why the bishop is at a dishonorable spot with Usher putting his hands all over him. And where the hell is Usher's shirt with his stinking ass belly button sticking out like this? I have a nil's knife, and I'm stabbing you. I'm still stabbing the usher. I'm still stabbing this dishonorable bishop because he knows better. King of the live and direct. I need understanding.